Are you struggling to find a suitable word delimiter for your PostgreSQL objects? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of PostgreSQL and exploring alternatives to the underscore that won't require you to use quotes when querying. I totally get it. Using underscores can be limiting, especially when you want to keep your field names clean and easy to read. It can be frustrating to have to quote your identifiers just to run a simple query. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if there are any alternative word delimiters other than the underscore for PostgreSQL objects. They want to avoid using schemas or different tables and are looking for a normal ASCII character that isn't alphanumeric. So what's the issue here? The user has tested characters like the caret and pipe, but they didn't work. They want to create field names that are easy to query without the hassle of quoting them. Let's break down the options. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a potential solution that might just work for you, along with some tips on best practices. To address the user's question about alternative delimiters in PostgreSQL, we first need to clarify that PostgreSQL allows certain characters in object names, but they must be used carefully. The user is looking for a delimiter that does not require quotes. One potential solution is to use the double underscore as a delimiter. While the user mentioned this as a last resort, it is a valid option that does not require quotes when querying. Another option is to use a combination of letters and numbers, which can help avoid the need for quotes. For example, using a prefix or suffix can create unique identifiers without special characters. If the user is open to using a single character that is not alphanumeric, they might consider using the $sign. This character is valid in PostgreSQL object names and does not require quotes. In summary, while the underscore is commonly used, the user can explore options like double underscores, alphanumeric combinations, or the $sign to create unique field names without needing quotes. Fun fact, did you know that PostgreSQL allows you to use almost any character in identifiers as long as you quote them? But who wants to deal with that hassle? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that while using special characters as delimiters is possible, it may complicate your work. They recommend running a specific command to list accepted characters that don't require quotes. This involves creating a schema and attempting to create tables with various characters. They provide examples of using characters like "an" as table names, which can work without quotes. However, they caution that using unusual characters might lead to more complex issues down the line. In conclusion, while you can use various special characters, the user advises considering whether this approach truly solves your problem or if a different solution might be better. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. In response to the question about alternative delimiters, this user has decided to use a double underscore. They find it nicely parsable and suitable for their needs. For example, they create a view with fields like IDX_DLI_RRSD and FX_DLRSD. This allows them to easily split the field names in their application layer. Here's a tip. Always check the PostgreSQL documentation for the latest updates on identifier rules. You might find new features that could help you out. And there you have it. While the underscore is a popular choice, there are alternatives like double underscores or creative naming conventions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more PostgreSQL tips and tricks.